Your distraction is going to kill your focus. You have to cut it off. Cut off all the distractions. Your mind will pick it. And if you see someone that is continuing do the same task every day, your task is hardest to start. Just do not put it on another day. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to tell you some key points of getting rid of procrastination, and also the things that can make you that you are also procrastinate your things and getting lazy. And you know what, procrastination is not laziness, it's avoidance. It's totally avoidance, usually of discomfort, fear and pressure. So the solution of getting rid of the procrastination is not motivation. It's a behavior control, psychological control. When we control things from our mind, we can do anything we want. It's just a foolish reason to give ourselves that we have this habit, we try to do things but we cannot do it. Why are you cannot doing it when you can think it, you can do it too? You are just fooling yourself by saying this, that I cannot do it. Your mind pick things whatever you say. What is procrastination? When you have decided that you are going to do study 1 hour throughout the whole week, and when the first day comes you give reason that I didn't study for 1 hour just because I'm having this reason, I'm having this problem to go there, I have to do some other work, I have to do some other things. First day you did this, second day some another reason will come towards to you automatically. You will see this. When you will procrastinate it for once, it is going to be remained forever. Do not ever say this, I am going to do this next. Say this, I am doing it. I am doing it. When you are saying it, your mind picks it and your minds work accordingly. Whenever someone says focus on positivity, because your mind does not know the difference between what you are feeling, you will say that you are not going to make it, that you are not going to do the thing, that you are not going to win. You will say it as a joke. You will say that because you are not feeling good for a moment, and that moment will get past. But what your brain picks, your brain will pick it forever, and your brain will give you ideas accordingly. When you will say it, you are not going to win, your mind believes on that, because our mind does not know the difference. They will only pick what our words tell them. So please, when you are saying something, be positive. Your mind always picks thing. And you know what, where the procrastination comes when we are telling our brain, when we are telling ourselves to do something that is out of our comfort zone, when we want to put ourselves in discomfort and do the thing that is right for you, your mind and yourself, your body is going to resist that thing. They are going to resist that, oh my god, we have to do this. And then our mind is going to shift to find over the reason of not doing it. They will find a reason, I'm not doing it just because I'm getting sick. I will not do it because I have to do something more important than this. This is how procrastination starts. Your mind resists big things. So just fool your mind. If you wanted to study 2 hours a day, don't tell your mind I have to study 2 hours a day, and then your mind just picks it up. And because you are not used to study 2 hours a day, and then when you will say it, your mind will pick it, that is something bigger, that is something different, that is something will take you out of your comfort zone, and it's going to make you feel distressed, and then your mind will not work according to you. Just stop giving signals that you are doing something very different, very big, that you haven't done before in past week or months or even years. Just say, if you wanted to do a study 2 hours a day, just tell your mind, I have to study 1 page, I have to read 1 page, I am reading 1 page a day, I am reading. And then you will see, when you will say I have to read 1 page a day, and when you will start it, do not stop on that page. Keep it up, keep continuing it, keep studying after 1 page too, because that is how you are going to do study 2 hours, and your mind will not going to procrastinate it. He is going along with you. When you are fooling your mind, you are not doing anything big, you are just doing a simplest task, an easiest task, the least task. When you will give the sign to your mind, he will going to will live with your comfort zone, and he will going to stay with it. You will do it, and then when you are done with one page, just go to another page, then just go to another page. First day, do this only 3 page. Okay, just tell your mind you are going to do 1 and do 3 instead. This is how you are going to study half an hour a day. And then next day, tell your mind that you are going to study 3 pages a day, because that is too much easy for you. You have already done it before. Just do it 6. And that is how you are going to study 1 hour a day. And when you are done, just tell your mind that you are going to study 6 pages a day. And when you are done with the 6 pages, do 12, do 8, do 10, how much you can increase it at a day. And that is how you are going to complete your task without letting your mind procrastinate things for you, without making your mind making you feel so much distress about it. And that is how you are giving yourself in so much stress. You are not even doing the thing, but you are just stressing over it all day long, that I have planned to do this, I'm not doing it. This is the pressure that you have planned it, you are not doing it, and this exam is near. This is the second stress. I have planned it and I didn't. How much I will, if I'm not doing study 1 hour a day, how am I going to study the whole day? How am I going to pass my exams? How am I, if I am not putting any effort in the least task that I have decided for myself, how can I go to the most big task that I have to do to win the test, to pass the test? This is how procrastination starts, and that is how we are going to lose the thing that we can do in just hours, sometimes days, and that's it. If you will think, if you are not going to give your mind a second choice that you cannot do this, and if you will not do this, you have to do something different. No, do not give your mind choices. Just think, this is the task, you have to do it, you have to complete it today. Just tell this to your mind. No ifs, not what ifs, whether, no, nothing. You have to do it, you will do it. This is not something you can or you cannot. No can or cannot. You do this, you can do this. Once you start, momentum takes over. Action, it's the action that creates motivation, not other way around. There's no other way around. You the whole life we are just finding we are not getting motivation. Motivation, it depends upon actions. When we take action, motivation comes along. When you know what, you are jealous of those people who are just continuing doing their things. Sometimes consistency is something difficult, but sometimes it's not difficult, because people will feel so much good, so much fun in doing it. In some factors, continuing thing it's easy. In some factor, continuing thing it's not easy. Some factor, starting thing is too much hard, and some factor, starting thing is too easy. If you see someone that is continuing do the same task every day, just do not get jealous of them. That means your task does need the hardest part to start. Your task is hardest to start, and then you will feel so much comfort doing it regularly, because you will get used to it. Sometimes starting something is too much difficult. We are just procrastinate it for over a lot of days, for over weeks, and then when we just started, we are doing it so normally. Whatever you are going to do, just do not put it on another day. Because it will take a lot of time. If you are even saying it at night that I'm going to do this another day, your mind will going to think about it the whole night. Even you sleep, your mind going to think about it, and this is going to procrastinate. When you will wake up, you are going to think about it, and I have to do this. Okay, I wake up, I have to go to the washroom, I have to get freshen up, and then I have to do this. This is going to ruin your mood, that you are not going to focus on other things. Just trust me. Just do not waste it. If whatever you wanted to do next, you have to just say this, I have to do it now, or I have to do it in 5 minutes. That's it. Or if you are not doing those two things, do not chase it then. Pick something different, another thing, and do it at the same time. If you have cancelled this thing that you are going to do in 5 minutes, if you cancel this, do not chase it then. I didn't do it in 5 minutes, I will do it in 1 hour. And then after 1 hour, you will see that you will find another reason to not do it, and you are going to say that I'm going to do it in 3 hours, tomorrow, a day after tomorrow, after 1 week, and that is how it's going to get lasted, and you are not going to fulfill your task. Whatever comes in your mind that you think that is good for you, just do it now. Do it now, and just, if you are not doing it, just forget about it. Then do not waste your time think about it, that I haven't done this, I haven't done this, I haven't done this. You are going to waste your whole energy on it, and you are not going to focus on another thing. You are not going to focus on something different. There are thousands of ways of doing the same things. If you are going to stick with the same thing, that I have not done this, your mind will not going to pick something different. You will just going to stick with that loss, that I haven't done this, I haven't done this, I haven't done this, and that's it.